What up, everyone? It's Tate here. Welcome to another episode of Tate's Taste Test. Today we're trying out cereals. Due to popular demand, we got all the bowls of cereals ready to go. Put them in front of me. Let's see what I can guess, everybody. I'm hearing it. I'm hearing the milk. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Got it. Easy. Here we go. Tricks. Easy. You can't tricks me. Thinking chocolatey cereals a little more sharp. Yeah, this is Cocoa Puffs for sure. Cocoa Puffs. 3 for 3! Is this Kix? Golden Grams. Doy. Are these Cheerios?
Yeah. You got it. Boo, boo, boo.
I don't like Cheerios. I said Cheerios shouldn't be one of the cereals. I don't like Cheerios. And I made that clear to every fucking person in this room. I do not like Cheerios. I did not want Cheerios on the list. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Fuck. Ugh. Why is it still in front of me? I can smell it. I can still smell it. I don't like Cheerios. I'm done. No, I don't want to talk. Wait, where am I?